guys, I'm so tired. You tired too? Actually, this is second day, she don't feel third day. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but hot.
Yeah, upset stomach. Not gonna go in detail. I'm just not feeling well.
I'll make just little shopping before the store close. Banana, 69 cents. A brown.
Let's see.
You have the receipt because I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. I just want to put out seafoam.
Actually, this apple $4.
I just want to see on the thing matter. Here. Make sure the panel's okay.
Strong. They don't say Osho.
Which one? The apples?
Yeah.
They're probably just the
Spartan.
like different ones, you know?
No, Spartan.
Oh, it is.
What else? This lime
You need the price?
is $3. Just around more than 12. Pepper for the first time.
Yes. That's
3, 4, 5.
How much was that?
9 for $5. Never happened before. It was one between $1.50 each. You know we still have control?
You still have what?
Control.
You? I don't know that. So good?
Yeah? I enjoy it.
Nectarines.
The box has it. Really?
2 liters it says. Or 2 pounds, I guess, not 2 liters.
2 liter.
2L it says.
2
It's
liter.
not 2 liters, it's 2 libra. No, it's not 2 libras,
Two-
2 pounds.
2 livres.
Oh, 2 livres en anglais, en français.
En français, 2 livres.
Oh,
And this lettuce, $3.
I think we're trading fruit, eh?
I buy almost everything fruit. Cucumber bar, it's a surprise.
Yeah.
It's 49 cents each.
Came to 235 if you buy them.
Mm-hmm.
235.
235. 5 cucumber. Jennifer will have occasion.
Okay, hold on, there's people talking. Hold on, folks.
And peaches. Peaches we eat 2 already. It's amazing. It was $3 pound, see?
Who are you coming after? Who are you coming for? Who are they not?
When we sit down, okay.
Yeah. We have people that need
The apricot how much?
apricot.
eat some of this, we eat some of this too.
And this apricot is going to be,
350 pounds?
is that,
250 and 350, I don't know.
624
For what?
apricot.
For apricot, no, this is 350 a pound. And this is, I think, 3. The beach.
Yeah, each.
Peaches, yeah,
Hmm?
the peaches are 353.
Okay, here we go. This is, oh, this we need some here too. We need to process the food today.
Yeah. That's all I can have.
That's mandarin. $3.
Mandarin. Nothing there.
Mandarin. But this mandarin doesn't have salt.
Doesn't have thoughts.
Doesn't have salt. This mandarin, she loses mandarin.
These mandarins are sweet.
Yes. $3. The cherry, how much?
Cherries were, I just saw.
Was $2 down. The total how much?
Yeah, 6 something.
60 something. But we eat some.
Cherries were, no, actually, yeah, 616.
A lot of
You
lemonade
know,
here.
the bananas, they made a mistake.
Huh?
They made a mistake on the banana.
Why?
235.
$2.35?
Mm-hmm.
Someone is down to 69. Always, banana 69 doesn't change. Everything changes, only banana 69. Papaya
Being says, when is court?
in October. I don't know why. You keep bothering me.
Because you're such a danger to society now. You know that?
Somebody went along.
Hey?
Somebody went along. I hear.
It's fine.
My friend, tell me something. Papaya, how much?
Papaya? Papaya is. Hold on a second. There's too much fruit to go through.
The tomato,
cute.
$3 for 10 tomatoes.
Nice. I'm still trying to find it.
Any mistake, you know
I don't think they put it here.
With what?
I don't think they have the. I don't have the papaya.
No.
No, honey, no. Oh yeah, here it is, papaya. Sorry. 277.
Hell. $2.77, good.
I actually bought small one.
$2.50 popcorn. Honey melon, how much?
250. We got it. 250.
$2.50, that's good. So half cantaloupe.
Sorry, Greta. I'm just gonna get closer to the mic. I'm gonna talk louder.
The watermelon, 2 something, 270, 280.
Oh, Lady Gaga answered. The person who wanted to know when court is, I guess Lady Gaga knows when the court is. I think I already said it, didn't I?
Yeah, I already said in the live stream. I don't have nothing to hide. I wish I finished today and before tomorrow. Before, believe it or not, I was knowing my court date from where? From YouTube. easier than to call the lawyer. I'm going to show I know. They focus on my life more than me, guys.
Donna says, Didi, do you think Nana looks like Sacha Baron Cohen in the Tower? I think you've seen him. He plays, I have to show you after. No, not really. I don't really think he looks like him.
This nectarine, $8. They was putting $5 in it. You sure?
Huh? Yeah. 60 pounds, right?
From Brown, yeah. Was fruit, just spend money. I can live in fruit and nuts only. And fish.
That's right, because Borat, that's it. You know Borat, Nana?
Hmm?
Did you ever see the movie Borat?
Yeah.
Somebody says you look like the actor.
I don't remember how you look like. Who plays soccer?
Hey?
Who wanna play soccer?
That was a good deal. Right?
فيش منك. ما فيش منك. Here. Steak. I got 2 big steak. Was what, 25? And this actually good price,
The steak was $20.
20. And the chicken $5.50. Drumstick 2 for 8. 8 good ones. This. معاهم cumin, thyme, paprika, black pepper. Just the weather change, I change.
I know. What a change.
ولكل الناس بتتكلم على كل الناس ليها عايشة حياتها تتسلى بكلام وخلاص ليه كل الناس بتتكلم على كل الناس ليها عايشة حياتها تتسلى بكلام وخلاص حتى أنا أوقات بتاخدني حالك
Azuro says hello.
Hello, Zero.
وهمسنا حاجات ولا ليها أساس وكلام وخلاص حتى أنا أوقات بتاخدني حالك.
Laliana says, oh wow, you bought meat, Didi. It's been months since I haven't seen, hold on, I haven't seen beef or lamb or veal on the menu. Can't wait to watch the recipes.
I'm vegetarian. I eat fish, I eat chicken, I eat beef, I eat everything. You just don't watch much of it, my video. You watch more than that. Don't see me too?
Well, I'm not a big meat, I'm not a huge lamb or veal person.
No Spanish, no seeds.
There's a long time I haven't seen beef, lamb, or veal, or any, shoot, whatever you do, lamb or veal.
Lamb really not much. First of all, Didi
That's my
doesn't eat.
fault.
Didi doesn't eat both of them. I
Okay,
love
That
lamb.
would be my fault because I don't eat that much.
And I eat fish alone too.
I don't eat much meat, and I don't eat fish or seafood.
But I have no problem. No problem. You know what? Didi is supposed to be vegetarian.
I should eat tomorrow, without a problem, without hesitation. I wish I liked fish though. Fish I wish I liked.
I make roast beef, or I make steak, or I make stroganoff, or I make kafta, or I make shawarma. No, all this was beef.
Last year you used to cook a lot of meats,
No, buffalo بقى.
if my memory serves me well.
No, I told you.
Hi, Ezra.
Didi, less of
I
meat.
said hi before, I don't know if you heard me, I just said,
So, me, I eat with Didi. So if something she don't eat, would be
yeah, that
less.
makes me feel bad because I
No,
don't-
it's not about bad. It's not normal.
That I grew up, the food my mother doesn't like, I don't like. Because I don't eat it much. I don't grow up eating. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Thank God she don't pick it. popcorn عشان الليلة بقى ايه الليلة طويلة الليلة هنسهر صباحي oil salt نديله بقى شوية garlic شوية paprika.
So you're finished with the bill, eh? I can put it away?
Yeah, thank you. And some turmeric. Oregano. That's it. خلصت الحكاية. شغلناه كله ينزل تحت ويوسع للفنان. أرجوك لو سمحت خلي الفرقة تبان كله ينزل تحت. And this is my dough. The same dough I make all the time. Yeast, sugar, flour, salt. Warm water. Finish the second because this second
Oh, that's a long story, Liliana. This is what court? She's what court? Long story. Long story. If you're new to the girl world.
نعمل salad first.
No, the child's not against Sama Shampa.
No.
Mental.
Another one.
She tried too, I was gonna say she tried too.
Good try. What's that?
Nothing, I'm just getting off the tableau.
كله ينزل تحت. وسع للفنان. أرجوك لو سمحت خلي فرقة تبان.
No, I won't be here for the trash. That's good. It's just because I know there's a lot of trolls watching and lurking and.
No.
No, I'm saying they're happy that they're not happy that Nader's.
Oh mon
I'm
Dieu.
not here now. I'm saying, but I'm sure they can't be because. What? Nader? Sit down.
Hmm?
You have to do later? What's your input?
ايه؟ ما
Then it says, what's that one song that Nader would always listen to? It's in Arabic.
a lot.
He played it over and over for weeks.
They did a lot over and over.
Maybe it's Anal Baba. Anal Baba.
Maybe.
That one, Nader?
What?
Anal Baba.
أنا البابا ملك غابة مربيكم على إيدي. أنا الفكرة تعال وأنا الفكرة وشغلتكم تقليدي. أنا صاحب المكان اللي بعده كنت أنا في طريق لما بدأوا كلهم في الأول جم فيا ويلزقوا كنت أقول عيالي عادي ياكلوا عيش. أوه اللي طالع
Oh, I didn't even know you made this.
I make it quick. Now garlic.
Angel, I smell popcorn. I knew it. Hi, Angel.
How are you?
Hi, beautiful Nader in chat. I got your message, Angel. I have to check my my channel to see what you were talking about. Check that. That's a good idea.
شكلها هتبقى وور يعني. انجو في ناس مش هنسمع عنهم تاني. Some people are not gonna hear about them. حلوين حلوين من يومنا وعمرنا وقلوبنا كويسة وبقدم أحلى فرح ومعاها بيتنسى ويا ليل طبل شوي الصحبة الحلوة هذه. أنا maybe I will go with my friend after I make the food. Could be waiting for me. And I don't know if he will come late.
Maggie.
السيرة دي إنها الحياة.
Hold on. I like Modi Amin. Who's that? I like Modi Amin
موجي أمين. I don't know.
and Islam.
هو موجي أمين.
Maybe I'm Amir Dia. I don't know which is Amin. I don't know. Angel says, I'm lovely, thank you. Was up talking to your son. Sorry, I think it's a son, yeah. No worries about Messenger DD. No rush. Congrats for the monetization.
You're welcome.
Oh, I just got a 3-minute ad. Okay.
What do you think? It was first.
What? You what? Oh, because you're friend?
Here. 6 o'clock. Was it still no call with you? I know you came in the wrong time. What do you think?
It's so strange how I talk to my son more now that he got his own place than I did when he was here. Yeah, that's the thing we did, right?
Yeah.
That's true. I talked to my mom more when I left than before. What are you doing, Eric?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
I make the salad and I put the baguette in the oven and I will go for 5 minutes. Make the stick so the bread will be ready in the same time.
He's doing good, Angel, your son? How's the heat wave? I it's horrible.
Hot.
Oh, good. He's sending him his promotion, his job, that's good for him. Yeah, the heat is disgusting.
Humidity.
Now that we went to the storm, right?
I came.
He came back to Finland.
We're not gonna put any dressing yet. Juice in the fridge.
Angel says it's bad here too. The grandkids wanted to jump on the trampoline last night. I had to say no because the heat. Yeah, that's true.
Kids,
But when the heat is too high and
Yeah,
it's too
kids
hot,
can
and the
handle that.
trampoline and good call. Actually, hey Google, what's the weather tonight?
over 25.
Hey Google, volume 5. Hey Google, what's the weather tonight? Hey Google, what's the weather tonight? She don't talk to me. Hey Google, what's the weather tonight? No,
Hey Google.
she doesn't want to talk to me.
Hey Google, what the weather? Now. Look at this.
Hey Google, are you there?
Hey Google, are you all there?
She's not looking. That's weird. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
That's it. That's it.
Hey Google, what's the weather tonight? Nope. I think she's
She's mad.
she's drunk.
It's too early.
She's too hot. She's melting. The chips are melting. I like that. I said, tell me a joke, and she goes, pum pum. Like, okay, that's the end of the joke.
She doesn't waste time. بص الكلام بقى، هنعمل 2 باجيت ومساء Yep. Guys, I will come back. Continue because urgent. Bye.